If you want to stand out in the creative world and grab the attention of potential clients, collaborators, or employers, having a knockout portfolio on Behance is a must. But how do you make sure your profile isn't just another page in the crowd? Don't worry, we got you covered. Here's a fun, no-nonsense guide to building a portfolio that'll turn heads and land you opportunities. First things first, what's your goal? Who do you want to impress? Is it clients, employers, or fellow creatives? Once you know your target audience, you can tailor your portfolio to hit the mark. Make sure your style matches the type of work you do. If you're a minimalist, show it in your portfolio. If you're all about bold, vibrant designs, let that shine through. Consistency is key. Let's be real, no one likes a messy portfolio. Group your projects logically, so anyone browsing can find what they're looking for without breaking a sweat. Easy navigation equals happy viewers. Time to get online. Head to Behance, sign up, it's free, and fill out your profile. Think of this as your online business card, so make it look sharp. Upload a pro profile picture. We're talking about a friendly but professional snap. Write a bio that tells people who you are, what you do, and where they can find more of your work. Add links to your website or socials, so people can connect with you beyond Behance. It's quality over quantity, folks. Pick your absolute best projects, those that show off your talent and versatility. Show off what you can do now, not what you did years ago, unless it's a timeless masterpiece, of course. Here's where you can flex your design muscles. Start with an attention-grabbing cover image. This is your portfolio's first impression. Make it count. Add a clear, catchy title. Write a short description explaining the project's backstory and your role. Use tags to help others find your work. Hello, discoverability. Behance also lets you customize your project layout and create collections. Play around with these features to create a stunning visual experience. People love seeing the process behind the final result. Share the journey. Talk about challenges you faced and how you overcame them. Explain the tools you used, the techniques you perfected, and the decisions that made your work stand out. Give viewers a peek into the creative process, and they'll appreciate your skill even more. Behance isn't just about showcasing your work. It's about building connections. Follow other creatives, comment on their projects, and join conversations. The more you interact, the more visibility you get. Bonus points for jumping into challenges or collaborations within the community. It's a great way to get noticed. Once you're happy with your portfolio, hit that publish button and let the world see your magic. But don't stop there. Share the link everywhere. Social media, job applications, emails to potential clients, wherever you think it'll make an impact. A portfolio is a living, breathing thing. Keep it current by updating it with your latest projects. And just like your wardrobe, get rid of the stuff that no longer fits, aka outdated work. Plus, pay attention to feedback and use it to make your next project even better. Create mood boards to showcase your design inspirations. They're a great way to show your creative vision and tell a story. Whether it's a project description or a comment, always keep it professional and friendly. If you have a pro account, use Behance's analytics to see who's checking out your work and how to improve engagement. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building an eye-catching, professional portfolio on Behance that'll help you stand out and land amazing opportunities. Now go get creative and make something epic.